Hey, what's up guys? I hope you all are fine and you are doing great with your life. Do you know what? I used to think we can create applications, softwares and many other things using codes. Yes, they all are fine. We can create them with the codes. But I have never thought that we can create applications for mobile devices such as the Android devices or the iOS. Now, actually, there are many strategies available on the internet, on the web, which we can use them. Which we can use them to create applications and we can use ad mob on them to earn money from them. Now, today I will be showing you only one of them on how to create an application for an Android device here in Windows 10. If you are on a Mac, again it will work perfectly. All you need is a Gmail account. So in this video, the thing which I am going to create is a simple and a demo application without any code, but in the upcoming video or the next video I'll be creating a perfect and a very nice and somehow that will be a little be intermediate video. So I hope you will like the video. So let's go ahead and start the complete process. Step 1, go ahead and open your favorite browser. I have already opened, which is the Chrome browser, and then search there for the thunkable.com. Press enter. Now when it opens, just all you need is just a Gmail account. So I'm going to sign in here and it will ask you for which applications or for which platform do you want to create an application. For now I'll just select Android because Android is easy. Also many people around the world, around the globe, they are using the Android applications. Also in the meantime, the Android devices, they are mostly welcomed on the market because they are so much easy. They are also not too much expensive compared to the iPhone. So let's go ahead and create these applications. Here you can see this is the first application which I have already created before for an article inside the technique. So again, no problem, I'm going to create this application once more, so you have to learn the basics. But in the next video, as I said, I will be showing you the more advanced of this technique. So when you are logged in, just select create an application under the Thunkable. Just give a name for your application. I'm going to just give a name of my second app. Now click OK. So now you can have a look here that currently we are available in the Thunkable. So you can have a look here that the complete window of the Thunkable is divided into some parts. For example, there is a designer tab or a designer option and the block option. Now the designer window or the designer option is a place where we can design our applications, where how our applications should look. Also, each and everything will be designed inside the designer tab, but when we designed our application, we need to link them together, and by which we are going to use the blocks. Now blocks, somehow whenever you're trying to create a game, your blocks are really too much hard to blocking them. Again, in the future, don't worry, I'll be showing you the techniques I hope which will be helpful to you, and I hope that you would like this, you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and also many other things. So let's go ahead. I have to take a little bit a tour of the interface. So you can have a look here. All the tools are available in the left side. Here is the user interface, layout, media, driving animation, and up to the last one, extensions. Now most of the tools for the designings are available here, which probably we are going to use most of them from here. Now the second things which are here is the component window, and here's the properties. Properties is also a very important part where we can change, where we can align, where we can change the app name, also the background color, the animation type, and many other things. Now these parts are really very important. Now we need to work on them one by one. Here also the block section where we can link them together. And by default, I have to tell you that when you create your app, you can test them too. using the Thunkable Live. Now in order to use the Thunkable Live, you have to download the Thunkable application on your smartphone, and then that time you can test your application live. And also when you create your application, you can just export them, whether you can export that on your mobile device, or you can export that on your computer. Now doesn't matter anyone which you use, that depends on you. So let's go ahead. I will just create a very simple application which is a very demo. The design is somehow like this. When a person should click on the, for example, on the Samsung mobile, the complete information about the Samsung should appear, and also about the HTC or about the iPhone. And this is a very simple application. You can find many kinds on the App Store or the Play Store of the Google. Now so let's go ahead and start the job. So the first thing I will do, I will just change the screen name from here. Here you can have a look at it is written screen 1. So just go ahead and scroll down, and here you have to change its name. I will just go ahead and change its name to mobile news or mobile companies. That will be better. Companies. So it is fine. Now once I click away, you can see the complete changes appear. Now the next thing is I can change the title bar color too. Now in any color you can desire, you can change red, blue, green, or whatever that is. For now I'll just select a red one, that's fine. And also if I want, I will also change the background color from here. You can just select any color which you desire, but for now I have to choose the teal one. I think it looks nice, not too bad, but again nice. Now if you desire, you can put an image. Just go ahead, select an image, upload that one from your computer, and then put that one as a background. Now I have to tell you that if you are trying to put an image inside the background, you have to remember that the image should be full HD. Now currently the most devices they are available on the market, such as iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy S8, they are the qualities are the full HD. Now you have to also create your pictures, your clips, or whatever that is, you have to create them according to full HD. Fortunately the Photoshop, the latest version of CC 2018, they are having this mobile devices applications, and all designs they are already built inside the Adobe Photoshop, but Adobe Photoshop CS6 they don't have. Also the CC 2014 2013 they don't have, so no problem with that. Let's go ahead and further away. So if you desire, you can just put away an icon for the application. Just from here you can just select, upload that one from your computer, and you can set up. You can also the orientation. The application should be landscape, portrait, sensors. Mostly if you are trying to create a game like a Marvel game, like a Spider-Man, like a Batman, mostly those games are in the landscape, because their quality and the size, they are mostly welcomed and very good. So no problem with that one. For now I will not do anything with them. So the next thing which I'm going to do is I'll just go ahead on the user interface. I'll just select button. I'll just insert that one here. Now you can have a look here. Here's the button. Now I can also change the name from here, or for now I'm not going to do anything. I will just fix the width here, height and width. So just select in the height and fill parent. If you select, click OK. It will complete cover the whole area. Now here's the height, but I'm going to put the height on the automatic. Instead I'll just select the weight on the complete section, so it should cover the complete window. Or if you desire, you can just fill them with any pixels or the person which you desire. Now it depends on you. For now I will just select the full window, no problem with that one. If you desire, you can also select upload your default font if you desire, but if you don't, no problem, it has its own fonts. So you can also change your shape to any shape which you desire, no problem with that one. I'll also insert another one which will be the button 2, and also another one which will be the button 3. Now remember, each time you select each one of these components, the properties will change. Now for example, it's in the screen, the complete information changes. Now if I select the button 1, the complete information changes. So I need to change the button 1 to Samsung or iPhone. The changes. Also I will change the button 2 to Samsung, SAMSUNG, Also there will be the button 3 will be how about HTC. So these are the information, and I'll also adjust the width of them, full parent and also full parent. Now if you desire, you can also increase this font size from here. Also you can put that into italic, bold one, or whatever that is, but I am not interested in any of them. So till here is fine, no problem with that one. So now we are here in the screen number 1. We need to create another screen where it should work perfectly. So the whole idea is here. When a person opens up this application, when he clicks on the iPhone, the complete information about the iPhone should appear, and which will be on the next video, on the next window, or on the next screen. So just select add a screen and then give a name. I will just give a name to it, the iPhone, which is our first window. So now you can have a look here. I am in the iPhone section. So we are going to enable the complete information about the iPhone. So the first thing is just go ahead, select layout, and then select horizontal arrangement, and then select it. By default, just select fill parent for the height. Also do the same for the width. It should cover the whole area of the phone. So it's the center, top, and alignments, they all are fine. Now the next thing which you have to do is just go ahead, select on the user interface, just scroll down and select web viewer. Now just select it, and now here you have to put the complete information link. So for now I will just go ahead and put the information about the iPhone from the Wikipedia. For now I'll just do this thing. Sorry, Wikipedia, and here is the link. I have already used that one because it's already here. So copy, and then I'll just paste that one here, Control V and paste. Now there are some sites like available, they are not having HTTPS, they are just having HTTP for some security reasons, or they are not paying much. For example, just our sites like TechRose, LearnESL, and other sites, they are available which we are not paying them, using them as HTTPS. Now whatever that is, you can just select ignore SSL errors. There are some sites, and external browser, I'm not interested. User locations, I am not interested in them. So our first window has been created for the iPhone. Now let's go ahead and create our next window for the which is Samsung. So let's go ahead, select add screen, and I'm going to name it Samsung, and click OK. I will do just the same things which I did for that one. Just select layout, horizontal arrangement, and then height and width, full parent, again width, full parent, okay. And also for the user interface, select web viewer, and again just go ahead, this time you have to select for Samsung, SAMSUNG. Now just select copy and Control V paste. If you are other sites, just go ahead. If you have another sites, or if you are having your own applications, just go ahead, you can upload them here. Just select upload file, just upload them your medias, and then you can link them there. Since it's a demo and it's a very simple for the beginners, you have to learn the basics instead of completely advancing this Thunkable. So no problem with that one, but just do the basics. It is just the basic. So let's go ahead again, once again, to the screen 1, and we have to do the HTC. Again select add screen, and this time HTC, and then click OK. So just go ahead, select the information HTC. Till that time I will just link them together. So horizontal, height and width, full parent, again okay. Now the web viewer, and again the link is all information about the HTC. Now you can link them to any site which you desire. Control V paste, ignore SSL errors. So till this place it's completely fine, no problem here. So once again I have to go back to screen 1. So till now it's completely fine. There's no problem with the design with all the information. So let's go ahead and link them together. Select blocks, and when you've selected them, just go ahead, select the button 1. Select when button 1 clicks, what happens. Select this and bring. Now the next thing you have to go, just select control, and then you have to scroll down and select open another screen name. Now you can select it, just drag that here, it's fixed, or you can just select the control section and then just type whatever, just select OPEN, and then you can see it appears here, open another screen. I use mostly using this thing because it is not taking much time. So it is done. Let's go ahead. The next thing, the whole idea till now here is when a person should click on the button 1, it will open another screen. Now what will be the screen name? You have to type out the name. So I'll just go ahead, I will just select scroll up, and I will select the empty text string. Just select that one and then bring that one here. Now what was our screen name first? That's iPhone, so I'll just go ahead and I'll type the same one. Remember, if that word is capitalized, you have to write down that the capitalized one. If a spell should be small or big, it won't work. Remember this one, it's a very critical part. So iPhone, it is done. So and let's do for the button number 2. Again another person, if he should click, so open another screen, it's done. And then the third one is this one. Now screen number 2 was Samsung, so I'm going to write that one, SAMSUNG. Now if you desire, you can just copy, Control C, Control V, done. Now you can see here, here are 2 codes, and here you can see here is 2 errors. Now if you just select button 2, select button 3, the code goes product, it is fine. So the number 3 was HTC. I'm just going to put that one HTC, and till now it is done and completely fine. So our application has been created very nicely. So let's go ahead and test it into our cell phone, how it looks. Unfortunately I don't have any recorder inside my cell phone. For now I'll just pause the video. I have to install a recorder inside my cell phone, then when it installs I will come back to you guys. So guys, I have installed the application, both the Thunkable and the recorder inside my cell phone. I'm going to test it live here inside the cell phone. So I'll just go ahead, select the test in the desktop, and then select Thunkable live, and just go ahead, open up the Thunkable on the smartphone. You can have a look here. Now you need to scan, and also you have to remember both your cell phone and your computer have to be connected into one Wi-Fi, into one network, otherwise it won't work. Remember, it's a very important part. If it should not, then again you will be completely down. So you can have a look here. I have just scanned that one, and here you can have a look here that I am on the screen 1. Now if I have to click on the iPhone, it's going to open up the it's going to open the window of the Wikipedia, which we just created before. Now you can have a look here. The complete information about the iPhone is available here inside the Wikipedia panel. Now the good thing is here that you can zoom in, zoom out, and whatever things you have just applied, they will be here. Now you can have a look here. These are the complete information. Stop this application, about this application, in the settings. Now remember, this is a part which I have never created. This part, some smartphones they are creating this one, but some smartphones they are not. Now currently I am using the HTC Desire H20. Now this application has created by default, but if I use this one inside the Samsung Galaxy S2 or S5 or S7 or S8, it won't work. So remember, it's a very crucial part. So you can have a look here. There's the iPhone. If I have to go back, for now, since we are testing it live, again it won't work because whatever it is, if you just click back, it will just go ahead, exit the program. So I will just go ahead, I'll just export the .apk extension, and when I exported that one, I will install that one inside the my cell phone, so that time you can see how it works, how perfectly it can do the job. So let's go ahead, how to export that one. Just select export one, and then now if you want to export it directly on your cell phone, just go ahead, select this one. Or if you want it to be exported on your computer, just select this second option. For now I'll just select the first option, and it will again, I think it will once again, it will require the barcode or whatever thing that is, that scanner code. Now exporting the application will it depends on your internet connection, how fast it is. Now unfortunately, since it is night and here in Pakistan we don't have a very good internet at night, so I have really need to wait so much time. So here you can have a look on my screen that I have to need to the barcode to be scanned. So just select the barcode, scan up, and it is scanned. Now it's going to download the complete information of this application from this link, which is http://app.thunkable.com or whatever that is. Now it will take really time. Now depending on the internet connection, it will really take time, because last an hour ago, which I tested, I was actually waiting about half an hour. So until this should be uploaded or should be exported here. So until it should be done, I'll be waiting. Or if it should not be done, I'll just export that one from inside my computer, and then I will just send one from computer to inside my mobile device. So till that time I will just pause the video. You have to wait. So now you can have a look here that finally that thing has been just exported. And now I'm going to install that inside my cell phone. Now remember that the developer options should be enabled inside your phone, otherwise it won't work. So also you have to enable the installing unknown resources inside your cell phone, otherwise somehow you won't be able to install an application. So there is an application which I had just created before. Its size is 2.51 megabyte. So select that one, and let's go ahead and install. Select install, and it's installing the application here inside my cell phone, which is HTC Desire H20. So you can have a look here that it is installed. Let's go ahead and open up the application, and here is the first thing, my True app. And yeah, now you can have a look here that the mobile companies that's available. Now let's click on the iPhone. What will happen? So you can have a look here, all the information about the iPhone is going to appear. As I said that it needs it depends on the internet connection, as it has to be. Now my internet connection for now is not a very nice connection. So you can have a look here. There is the complete information about the iPhone. You can just zoom in, zoom out, or whatever that is. So I have to go back. Last time, if you remember, when I just select back, that has exited the Thunkable application. So you can have a look here. Now let's go ahead and open up the, sorry, unfortunately my cell phone do not have much storage, so go back please. So let's go ahead and select Samsung, and let's see what will happen, and will it give me the information about the Samsung or not. Let's see. Yes, it's bringing me the information about the Samsung. So let's go once again back, and let's see about HTC. Yes, it's bringing me the whole information about these things. Now this is a very simple application which I have just created for you guys. As I said, I will be creating a little perfect or a little bit advanced application inside the Thunkable for you guys. Now if I had live, I will try my best to create some game for you. I will be trying my best to do these things. Now if you like this tutorial, if you like this video, just please go ahead, like the video, comment the video, and mostly and very important part, that is just you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video with your friends, and till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.